Hello my dear family and friends, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments channel. If you're watching Siri Kitchen Moments channel for the first time, then please do subscribe. Let's learn how to make scrambled eggs. It's delicious and an easy breakfast which comes out soft, flavorful with just 4 basic ingredients. Scrambled eggs are one of the amazing savory that's cooked in under 2 to 3 minutes. You can enhance with hint of milk, but in this recipe, I'm keeping it as simple as it can be without adding any milk for the people who wants to avoid dairy. I'm not adding any fancy ingredients here, but making sure that it turns out delicious and fluffy. To make this scrambled eggs recipe, we need 4 basic ingredients: eggs, salt, black pepper that is coarsely powdered, and olive oil or cooking spray, as you like. Now that we have our ingredients in place, it's time to cook. First, in a mixing bowl, beat and add the eggs one after the other. Whisk until it's well combined and fluffy. Season this egg mix by sprinkling just a pinch of salt and black pepper powder. Whisk again, and now we have an even color beaten eggs. Next, preheat the pan and add 1 teaspoon olive oil, or you can grease the pan with cooking spray. Let the pan warm on low to medium heat. Now pour in the beaten egg mixture and let cook for a few seconds until it's done. With the help of a spatula, keep folding and stirring the egg mix and scrape the sides and bottom of the pan. As this egg mix turns soft and creamy, turn off the heat and transfer the scrambled eggs to a serving plate. Scrambled eggs is ready to be served as an easy and delicious breakfast. If you love this scrambled eggs recipe, please like this video. Also do try out and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Share this recipe with your loved ones for a good health. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe Siri Kitchen Moments channel and click the bell icon to receive the latest video notifications.